How to find transit number on Wells Fargo. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. To find your transit number on Wells Fargo, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is firstly open up your Wells Fargo mobile banking app. You can enter into it by entering your username and your password. Select on the Sign On button to log in into your account. Once you are into your Wells Fargo account, you can easily display your account info. Right at the top of Account Summary or Account Info, you can navigate to your transit number. If the option is not available for you, you can even check it from your website. In the Wells Fargo website, once you are logged in the Activity Summary, navigate to Routing Numbers. In there, you can easily find your routing number. Routing number is the secondary name for your transit number. Now lastly, you can check in your physical check or your deposit slip. At the bottom, you will find some of the numbers. The first one is your routing number, also known as your transit number. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.